was a dinosaur, if I was a dinosaur and you were a jet,
there's a chance, a good chance, that we'd never have met.
If I was the river and you were the sky.
Si yo estuviera bien abajo y tú estuvieras bien arriba.
Or if I was an apple.
You were Sunday.
If you were a Wednesday and I was a Monday.
If you were spring seasons and I was the fall, we might never have gotten together at all. But we aren't all of those things.
You're you and I'm me. And we're as together can be. And you know I'm aglow with a smile on my face.
And I wonder what magic will make all this place.
Of this town, of this world.
I would march through the rain, I'd jump out of a plane.
I'll put the world on my back and still race down a train.
And I'll stand down whole armies defending your name.
Pero tú sabes que el amor no se trata de todo esto.
Sometimes it's a whisper.
When you feel you could shout.
Or just being around when the others have gone. Or about letting go when you want to hold on. It's about living life with such strength and emotion.
And knowing that waves are just part of the ocean.
And that ocean was on forever. Just like the love that has brought us together.
I love you.
When I'm holding your hand.
I love you. I love you when you're making a plan.
When you're thinking a thought and dancing your dance.
When you're just hanging in by the seat of your pants.
Te amo. Te amo.
I'll say it again.
Tell all the strangers to tell all their friends.
Make a song.
And we'll all sing along. I love you, I love you. You make me feel strong.
You make me feel.
You make me feel younger. You make me feel brave.
You make me feel something
these words can't contain.
And if you were the future and I was the past, if I was too slow and you were too fast, if you were a cloud and I was a ghost, if you were long distance and I was up close,
I would still love you, no matter what sense it would make. I'd love you whenever, whatever it takes.
I'd love you no matter, 'cause you're you and I'm me.
Together, forever.